Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside the Godot editor with your project open. Make sure the scene you test is active. First, open project settings, then go to display right arrow window to access resolution controls. Set width and height to your target pixels, pick an aspect ratio such as 16:9, and choose a stretch mode, for example 2D or viewport, because that determines scaling behavior. Once done, save the project settings and prepare to adjust viewport and export settings for consistent results. Now you refine how the game scales. In project settings, right arrow display right arrow window set stretch mode to 2D for pixel-perfect 2D scaling, or viewport to render to an off-screen buffer. Choose aspect, keep to preserve ratio, expand to fill, or ignore to allow distortion. Make sure your camera 2D zoom and limits align with the new resolution so gameplay framing remains correct. Once configured, run the scene in the chosen test resolution to confirm UI and sprite scale as expected before exporting. To finalize, open export and adjust the preset's window size or permit full screen to use the display's native resolution. Export a build, then test on the target device to confirm UI scale and performance. If UI elements look too small, make DPI-aware adjustments or change the stretch factor. If black bars appear, switch aspect or toggle stretch mode. If the image is distorted, recheck aspect versus mode and your camera settings. Those two are the most common resolution problems that break visuals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.